Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the basics of extension kits configuration and installation. So we will see that I'll show you the details about how you can access the configuration of the extension kit and some basics about how to start with the configuration. So extension kit is Vault application framework app, which is installed in the M files in the same way as every other application. So if you access the configuration, what you can see here is the extension kit with all the modules enabled. Every module works in a similar way, in a sense that it works based on the triggers and the actions. So if you take a look at the configuration for this demonstration, I'm going to work with the property operations. You will be able to see that I have enabled, I have configuration mode, rule groups, and advanced settings. Some of modules might have a different configuration, but they vary because of the modules are specific for a different functionalities of the extension kit. So if the module is enabled, then the rule groups and the rules will be executed. And then on the next level we have the rule groups. So the idea of the rule groups is that you can, for example, group different extension kit rules based on the logic that suits your project or implementation. So right here you can see that for example, I have employee object type, and then inside the employee object type, I have two rules which are doing something with the employee object types. Once I access the rule group, I have the name, and then I have, once again, you have the enabled and disabled. So you can enable, disable the whole rule group, or you can enable, disable on the whole module, and then on the level of the specific rule, you can enable or disable that specific rule, as you can see here. Also, if you take a look at the advanced settings, there are some more advanced settings that you can fine-tune for your implementation. So for example, things like number of retries, retry interval, task processing delay, and so on. So if we go to the document processing, once again, here we have configuration mode, which is simple or advanced. If I enable advanced, this option will appear. As I have shown you with the property operations, everything is the same. You have a rule group. Inside the rule group, you have some rules, and then inside the rules, you have the specific configurations for that module. Also, what I wanted to show you here is some settings for the whole extension kit. So you can see the logging. Here you can specify the different options for logging events from the extension kit. So you can choose the minimum log level. You can specify the logging destination. You can also, for some use cases, forward your logs outside of the M files for some tool that you use for the log analysis. And also the whole extension kit has some advanced settings, which we will cover in the next videos. So basically that's it. Just to sum up, you have the property, you have for each module, you have some rule groups. Inside the rule groups, you can define as many rules as you want, and each module has some simple settings, or if you would like to access the advanced, you can select here advanced, and then advanced settings will appear. Thank you.